Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello friends, before starting this tutorial, I would request you to check out our Canva designing series so you will not miss amazing designing ideas. Let's create a QR code in less than 2 minutes. Add new page. Let's copy-paste the text. Click on More. Here you will find a QR code option. We are going to create a QR code for the Instagram profile. Paste the URL of the Instagram profile. Join 900 Instagram family now. In this Instagram account, I share another set of informative videos. Don't forget to check out. Copy URL and paste in Canva. Click on Generate Code button. That's it. To create other QR codes, just paste another URL and generate QR codes quickly. Thank you.